Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. I constantly bring this up on every single video, but before we dive into the video, take a moment and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way we can grow and then show you the next unboxing. Let's get to it. We talk about a lot of mods that are very expensive. Some are out of certain people's reach, but what we try to do on the channel is bring you quality stuff and not look at the price point. But today we're gonna look at something that is reasonably priced and highly recommend for most people that has a brand new bike or has a bike they want to take to the track, or maybe don't feel extremely comfortable with the OEM. We're gonna be talking about the Rizoma Eccentric adjustable adapters, but this one's more of a kit. I'm gonna be showing you a pair altogether. Let's take a look and see what comes in the package and how do they work together. Rizoma adjustable eccentric adapters. This is what make the entire kit special, what makes it versatile. And of course you have solid packaging. Let's take a look here. You're gonna have the model that you're using. Let's crack this baby open and see exactly how these guys work and how they look like. Okay. If you look at the actual product, you'll see that the model number is etched on. So there is no room for error of actually getting some faux ones or some knockoff versions of these guys. You know what you're getting is exactly right. Also, it tells you 8 positions that it could be adjusted to. Very clear and concise. If you're looking for premium parts, you know where it comes from. Motivation USA. It's gonna mount this way. You can see where it says 8 position. The peg goes here. Let's take a quick look here. For you to adjust, you need a 5mm hex key to just loosen this up, and then you can adjust it. Most Ducati tend to have at least a 5mm in their tool bag because it's a common size that stuff are actually tightened on the Ducati. And then for this component here, to put the pegs, this is gonna be a 6mm. Fairly straightforward. So let's put one on so you can see exactly how it would play. Here's what we know about the Rizoma Eccentric adjustable foot peg adapters. It comes in a pair. It does not include the B Pro or tapered racing adjustable pegs. These are sold separately and you can get them in different colors. These are intended for rider pegs only. Now, it wouldn't be a Rizoma video if we didn't revisit what we know that Rizoma does extremely well. We're just gonna quickly brief right over those things because you could check some of our last videos and see what we usually talk about when we mention Rizoma. Again, they're an Italian-based company. They're known for bringing the quality to the game. They have a dedicated way of anodizing their colors into their pegs or the levers. That way it doesn't fade over time in the sun. It's CNC machine out of billet aluminum, so you know you're gonna get that amazing quality. And of course, package is like no other. This is the B Pro foot peg, proper packaging from Rizoma. As usual, you're gonna see here the name and model of the actual foot peg you're getting. Like normal, it is sealed tight until it gets in your hand. That way you know it hasn't been tampered with. We'll crack that seal now together. There we go. At the top. Nice. Beautifully packaged. I always enjoy getting these Rizoma products out of the packaging just because of the nature of the beast. They are very well put together. Take a look. Foot pegs look incredible. Let's see here up close. The little pads you're seeing here, in case you scrape peg, you're one of those people that scrape pegs, it's almost having like sliders at the very edge of them. Once we flip the packaging over, you're gonna see how well this is machine cut together. I mean, it's precision. Look at that. You can even run your finger to it. You'll feel it. Very, very impressive as usual from Rizoma. Take that over. We're gonna pull one of these out the packaging. You're gonna get a nice little grip here to grip on your either riding shoes or riding boots, whichever one that you wear. There is an opening right here. That's where the cap's gonna go in case if you were to drag the peg, it'll slide a lot easier. So that's very impressive. But really nice groove here, guys. When you pass your hand on here or your shoe, you're definitely gonna get great grip. with these guys on. And then I'll show you how they connect. Really easy process, nothing too complicated, but I wanted to kind of go into it and show you how well these are machined from Rizoma, and the anodized black looks spectacular. These slider pads are gonna slide right here, guys. There you go. They even have these little markings on here, that way you have it exactly flush. I'm not gonna push them in yet because they're not installed, but if you take a look, they go right here just like that. I'm assuming they're snug right in once you push them in. It's pretty rough to get them out because they're meant to stay, but you can see how well that goes together. And again, precision, precision, precision. These guys know what they're doing, and they bring that knowledge every time they produce a product, and how amazing it comes out. Very impressive. Unlike my Monster, I think the pegs ran anywhere between $700 to $1,000. We're talking about the entire rear set being replaced, fully adjustable for track, daily usage, for comfort, for maybe even doing long trips. But with these Eccentric adjustable foot pegs, they come at a premium price point, but not too high where it's gonna break the bank. And it doesn't take a lot for you to install those. You don't have to remove your entire rear set assembly to get them on. We're talking about 2 screws off, and then you insert the Eccentric Rizoma adjustable adapters, and then you insert the pegs. Pretty straightforward, and there we are. Peg is actually on. And of course you're gonna put the, see that right there? Just gonna retighten down the foot peg. And there we go. This is exactly how it would look and fit. Everything here is modular, so if you were to have a bad day or something like that, you can replace individual components. So this is one part, this is another, and of course the peg. So we're looking at complete modular setup here where you can adjust and change or replace whichever component that you need to. With 8 points, everyone will be satisfied. And it's fully adjustable, super easy. You just need an L key, lightly loosen things up, rotate it, and then find somewhere that's suitable for you or your riding style. Maybe you want it to be a little bit higher up when you're cornering, doing the mountains. You don't want to drag the tip of your sneakers or your riding boots or anything like that. You can adjust it. Even on the fly with the tool bag that's included on your bike, you can use your L key to actually adjust those while you're actually out. You don't have to be in your garage. Fairly easy to do. Highly recommended. The team at Motivation USA highly recommends it as well. Make sure you hit the website, take a look and see what fits best for your bike. It only comes in anodized black. I'm assuming they did it that way so it's suitable for most bikes. Most people are looking at a darker tone, but if you wanted the pegs themselves to be a different color, some of them do come in a different colorway as well. But what we're looking at here is completely blacked out, which is gonna be perfect for the Hyper. I just wanna give you a quick heads up. The reference footage I'm using in this video is by the official Rizoma website and YouTube page because they did such a beautiful job showing how the Eccentric adjustable adapters can be adjusted. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorship. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop MotivationUSA.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.